Hello, this is Danny here from ABC Gaming, and today I'm going to be going through how to keep your variables when changing rooms. Can be used for platformer games, for any game where you're changing levels. You want your score to remain as it was in the previous level when you switch rooms. And this is very simple. This is without using global variables. This is using the free version. I believe that global variables, I'm not sure whether you can use global variables in the lite version or not. I'm not 100% sure on that, but if you can, then I would recommend learning how to use global variables. It's a lot easier. It's not a lot easier, but it makes things it allows you to do much more complex things, as opposed to this is just if you don't really want to learn how to do global variables, or you're just looking for a quick fix, quick easy way to just keep your score, for example, when you're changing between levels. So essentially what we're going to do is I'm just going to run it. I'm going to show you, I'll just run the game first. I'll show you what common errors people would have is be when you're moving along like so. It's going a bit slow. Obviously you'd have a floor or whatever, but when you change world or when you change room, your score resets to 0. Now, it's very simple, very easy way to save it. I'll just explain first what is happening. Okay, we don't need anything there. Object score. This is your object. This is the score variable. This is the score object, sorry. This is the variable that we've created. So when it's created, it is set to 0. The value is set to 0. And we're just drawing the variable at this at this location. Now in room 1, our object is created here. And when we collide with this, you'll see here, we have go to next room, and when we go to next room, it's loading up this room, and then it's creating this again. And if you remember, in the create event, we have this set to when it's created, the value is set to 0. So we're essentially resetting the variable to 0. It's not what we want to do, so all we need to do is go in here and click relative. Now if we run the game, our score is going up like so, and when we change rooms, it is created, but is adding 0 value onto the relative score, onto the relative value of the variable, if that makes sense. You know what I mean. So that's pretty much that. That is essentially it in a nutshell. You can use that for various variables within the same game. No, that's it. It was just a quick short video. I hope this helped. If it did, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on using Gamemaker Lite. This would be quick and easy ways for you to make games using the Lite version without having to pay anything. Okay, goodbye.